calligraphy on a video can be more appealing because it's big, massive, and you look at it for 3 seconds. In reality, most works that you see right now very clumsy. Most of the attempts here can potentially be a good works, but they requires a lot of improvements and a lot of editing. Random calligraphy generally means that work should be great and satisfying from first try, and without major editing. Each session starts slowly and intensifies towards the end. You'll start from lousy attempts, and most certainly have a better ones towards the end. Color blending is more beneficial when you mix either opposite or nearby colors. For long and smooth transition, just change cartridge while writing. For short and rapid ones, just dip the nib of the pen in unsealed cartridge. Penetrate plastic plug or seal it with sharp object. Store cartridges in the box with empty ones vertically, so they wouldn't drip. Good enough works often registers afterwards, so best take here was in the middle of a session and it became obvious only in the end. Blood Thunder is a nickname of speedrunner that I enjoyed watching on Games Done Quick Marathon. So certain emotional attachment to the word such as your favorite band, brand, name or nickname is essential, but not crucial for you to invest more effort into writing. As you can see, I also have a tendency to overcomplicate works and make a dirty writing, even understanding that to make something big and complex like that is quite impossible. But it's still quite enjoyable anyway. But best result was a clear, constant and more down-to-earth approach.